Hi. Hi, Alabama Watts and Cam Newton. He just sucked some balls, and we are going to be watching Stargate down the Lonely Planet, where Cam Newton could go to the Stargate. And Cam Newton is a prisoner, thousands, millions, and billions of cops going after him, and he's going to kick out a team. And Arbors are cheaters. Arbor can't do nothing about that. Tim Tebow is better than Cam Newton. What up? What up?